Welcome to TechSolve video tutorial. Today we'll learn how to add a yes or no option in Google Sheets. Open up your Google Sheets data. One way we can add a yes or no option is by adding checkboxes in the Google cell. So, you select the cell you want to insert the checkbox, a range of cells. Then you click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen and you select or click on checkbox. And checkboxes appears on the selected cells. So if you move your cursor to one of the checkbox and tick on it and it shows this mark sign, that means yes or true, while the empty one shows false or no. Another way to add yes or no options in Google Sheets is to select the cells. Then you go to the Data tab and you select Data Validation. A pop-up window box will appear at the right-hand side of the screen. Click on Add Rule. In the criteria section, you select the drop-down. Now for the option 1, you clear it out and input yes. Then the option 2 value, you input no. When you're done with the imputation, you click on the Done button below the screen. And a drop-down menu appears here and people can choose the yes or the no options. So guys, that's all for the video. Do well to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. Bye guys, see you next time.